Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to sign out from Gmail in Android mobile. So let's begin our video. So first of all, open my Gmail app, and after open it, at the top right corner there have a three-line menu bar icon. Select it and scroll down, and the end position I can find settings. Select it. Right now I just need to select three dot, and there have a manage account. Select it and select Google, and here you can see there have a option for more, so select it, and there have a option for remove account. So if you just click or select remove account, and then your Gmail account, or you can sign out from Gmail from your Android phone. So that's it guys, just click on remove account. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.